Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I want to cook with you. As you can see, nilikuwa nishaanza, but I have to document this for myself, for you guys also. And guys, first of all, before we go on, just take 5 seconds to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to like, and maybe to comment when you're watching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5. Anyway, if you've subscribed to my YouTube, if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, nawapenda sana guys. To my returning subscribers, welcome to the building, and to the new ones, guys, this is the place. I mean, life with Betty. So guys, today we'll be cooking chapati. I'm here just preparing my ngano and mixing it with hot water. So stay tuned as we're preparing this first of all, okay? Yeah. So guys, this is our unga. So from here, as of me weka oil, so I'll put in 2 spoons of oil, and then I'll be mixing it. Then najua mnajiuliza huyu msichana surely hawezi enda kufanya hizi vituko huko kitchen, fanya sitting, nini inakuwa shida yake? Enda ufanyia kitchen yako. As of me, napenda kukaa sitting, na nitafanya kila kitu sitting actually, because sina space enough for kitchen yenye naweza fanya hizo vitu zote, and at least here I have the table where I can do all those things. Anyway, my unga, it's done. From here I'll just cover it and let it settle for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. I'll just let it settle in. So yeah. Guys, I'm done. The 30 minutes zimeisha. So hapa ndo unga yetu iko. So it's like that. First of all, na divide 2 portions tonye nitatumia.
Live life, enjoy life, love God, enjoy family. Live life, enjoy life, live life, enjoy life, enjoy family. Love God, life with Betty. Enjoy family. Love God, life with Betty. Live life, enjoy life, love God, enjoy family. Live life.
Here are my small portions of chapatis. So hizo Easy. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Kitu mimi unisumbua ni moja guys. Kuzigawanisha zitoshane zote. But yeah, we are good to go. So let's do the next thing, ile ya kupakanga ya kuni. Unapaka mafuta, unazikunja vizuri, unazirudisha hapo. So stay tuned as I'll be doing that for you guys. So stay tuned guys, by the way, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Sawa. Okay, utanisaidia sana. Let's go. Guys, hivi ndo mi uroll. Na roll hivi kwanza. Apanua kidogo. And then this one. So this is what I'll be doing. And then inakaa hivyo. So for all of them I'll be doing that. I'll show you after I'm done.
Live life, enjoy life. Love God, enjoy family. Live life, enjoy life. Live life, enjoy life. Enjoy family. Love God, life is better. Enjoy family. Love God, life is better. Live life, enjoy life. Love God, enjoy family.
Guys, hivi ndo zimetokea. That's how they are. They're ready to be cooked. Yeah. Guys, ndo tu shape twangu twenye nimeform. Msinicheke. These are the ones that I have, 3 of them. Kuna hizi zingine pia. Zingine ni hizi. Hatukuli shape. Sama ni aje. Tunakula the food itself. But I've tried literally. Bedi nimetry sana bwana. Look at that. This is me. So literally nika nimetengeneza gapi? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Nika ni 8 nimetengeneza. Nimeekelea hii kwanza. Ipate joto. I'll show you afterwards. Stay tuned. Bado tunazikausha. Hii kitu sijui nitakuwa kukaushwa ama ndo nini. Yeah, hatujaziweka kwa mafuta still. Ziko hivyo and they are so soft. Oh my god, stay tuned. Alafu mimi natumia pan ya itakuwa ya nini? Ya mayai, kwa sina ile pan nyingine ya kupika. This is what I'm using to cook my chapatis. Oh, chapati. And for the stew, mimi siko niwache venye tunapika stew, because today's video is to show you guys that I am capable of cooking chapatis. Yeah. Kwa shapes ndo nafaa nijifunze kidogo. Now look at this. This is a round. This is a round. Ama mimi naona hii ni round perfect actually. It's a perfect round. Round imetokea poa sana. So my oil will be in this cup. In case unaona nimeanza kutumia hiyo cup, just know nimeanza kuzidip kwa mafuta, and nikipika naweka hapa since sina another hot pot I can use. I'll be putting in this. Yeah. Okay, na time ya mafuta imeanza. Time ya kuweka mafuta iko almost. And I hope you guys can see me, because msiponiona mimi lazijui, because I'm not repeating this again. You'll just be seeing. I hope you see me actually. I'm hoping so. I'm really hoping so. So zimetokea hivi for now, because sijazidip kwa mafuta. But guys, look at this. Zinakaa poa. Zinakaa poa. I don't know if it's advisable kupika na hii ukiweka mafuta. Sometimes mimi hutumia, sometimes tumiangi, because nasikianga I feel wood inaweza nyonya mafuta mingi. I'm not sure. Not sure. You can advise me hapo kwa comment section. But ndo nitatumia. I'll still be using it. No, I should show you guys. Look at this. Oh my god. I can cook. I can cook chapati. Chapati. Usimaini venye na try. I'm just happy for myself. Really help. Okay, for my own self. Okay, since hapa zizitosha zikuwa full, I just need like that. Na naziekanga hivyo. Then nafunikia. Let me do two. Niacha kufanya moja. Guys, I can cook. I can cook. Hey. I'm a chef actually. I'm a chef. Zinaka po actually by the way. I'm just so happy for myself. Cooking with no tutorial, no YouTube tutorials. And I'm cooking like this. Yes, nitajichoma mimi.
Live life, enjoy life. Love God, enjoy family.
Look at that, guys.
Enjoy life. Live life, enjoy life. Enjoy family. Love God, life is ready. Enjoy family. Love God, life is ready. Live life, enjoy life. Love God, enjoy family. Live life, enjoy life. Ready.
I am done. So guys, I'm done preparing the chapo. So I'll just be sijui niwaonyeshe aje, but nitawaonyesha nitawaonyesha when I've served my own food, the way it looks, and then we call it a wrap of the videos, you know, because it was just all about cooking. So guys, this is the meal that I'm going to be eating, but let's just take time for the chapati. Look at that. Oh my god. The chapati, the stew. Kuja kwangu niambie nikupikie chapati mwenzangu. Look at that. Anyways guys, thank you so much for staying tuned. We've cooked together. Rate my cooking skills for the chapati. Just rate it, comment there and tell me. So guys, thank you so much for watching from the start to the end of this video. I love you so much guys. Until my next video, see you guys. Bye.